Yeah.
All right, I'm going to mute you, Mr. Garrett, until we call your name. There it is. I'm going to mute you until we call your name. All right. Let's get. All right, it's on you.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please mute your devices and take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Roshan Lund Jr. Case number SP 157411121 U744-23626. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Sir. Mr. Lund, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Rashawn Lund.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a pre-trial, Mr. Berry. I'm trying to see about this other issue here. Let's see. He has a warrant out for his arrest in front of Judge Bryant. I can't do anything about that because she does not want anybody to take anything on her cases. So you're going to have to deal with that in front of Judge Bryant, Mr. Lund. But I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry on these cases you have in front of me. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Tadero Garfield. Case numbers SP 1889642. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Tadero Garfield.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Garfield. Mr. Shiroki, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready.
Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, Alan Shiroki, P37441. I'm here on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Garfield, did you do the course?
Yes.
All right. Where's the proof of it?
Sent to see.
You sent it to me? I didn't hear you.
You going in and out. Sorry. You going in and out. I said send it to email.
I'm not hearing you.
I sent it to your email. It says send it to your email upon approval. Completion.
Yeah. All right. When did you do that? Because I don't recall seeing it, but let me see. Let me look it up.
I did end up doing the last night.
I don't think it got to me. All right, so let's talk about what you got out of it.
I learned that I learned about SIPDE, which is scan, identify, predict, decide, and execute, which is scan the road ahead, behind you continuously, in front of you continuously, identify potential problems, execute what decisions you was hopefully penetrate to safe outcome. Every person die every 16 minutes in a car crash. That's 93 people a day. Also learn older drivers are at risk due to motor function, which is muscle strength, endurance, and flexibility.
Say that
But
again. Say that one again.
older drivers are more at risk due to motor fun. My fault. Motor
Got you.
function.
I got you. All
Yeah.
right. All right. Go ahead.
Due to muscle strength, endurance, and flexibility. Driving is a privilege. Most mistakes are multitasking while driving, failure to yield on a left-hand turn, following too closely, and incorrect merging.
Are these his notes?
Yeah, he did some good. He did some good notes.
He did.
He took some good notes. So I think that I'm convinced that you did a good job on the course, despite the fact that I haven't seen the proof, but the proof is there. You've done enough to convince me that you deserve the offer. The offer was limited access, 1 to 5. That was the offer. You want to take the deal? It's going to be $125.
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'll find them responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. When can you pay it? $125.
Oh, because I still have that ticket for the 144. I wanted to pay both of them on the 24th.
All right, so you can, the 24th, 6/24, I'll put 6/26. You can pay you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. Or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways, but those are the two best ways. I hope that you take this as a learning lesson in the fact that 93 deaths every single solitary day for driving. I did a podcast with Mike Morris a couple of weeks, was last week or so, and he says, and I kind of agree with him, that there are no accidents. It's actions that people take when they're driving, and that's what results in car crashes and things like that. So that 93 deaths is certainly preventable. Each and every one of them are potentially preventable. But so I hope you take heed to that and drive safely, and we want to be there around this again. All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
You too. Thank you.
Yeah. Mr. Bossman, Mr. Soroki, this is the city of Detroit versus Jose Garza, case number V12521-526, V12521-626. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What is your full name for the record, sir?
Jose Garza Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a arraignment on the bench form. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, defendant waives for formal reading and stands muted as to all charges.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Garza, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Soroki. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Your Honor, I have the offer sheet and there's no offer written by Mr. Garza's name here. So we can wait for the prosecutor and see, or I don't know, maybe that she wants us to have, usually the city inspector appears for most of these hearings, but this is just an arraignment.
All right, well, speak to him and we'll see. We'll wait on the city if we
Okay, we'll wait on the prosecutor. Okay, very good.
ask the matter. Mr. Bachman, this is the city of Detroit versus Dominique Sade Lewis, case number SP 1885857, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1886381, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. And good morning to you, Ms. Lewis.
Good morning, Judge.
Is Mr. Bachman there? You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Bachman. Mr. Bachman? Ah, boy.
Yeah, it was.
Mr. Bachman? You got to unmute yourself, sir.
Judge, I am so sorry I had this pop-up window that would not close. Forgive me, Harry Boffman is ready.
All right. This is Dominique Lewis. Miss Lewis, put your appearance on the record for Miss Lewis, Mr. Bachman.
Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. We're asking specifically for a bench trial date, Your Honor, June 30th.
Yeah. Miss Lewis, I'm going to give you a trial date of June 30th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Great, thank you. You have a good day as well.
Well. Who else did you have, Mr. Bachman?
Your Honor, I also have Nathaniel Lockett and Melanie Leonard.
City of Detroit versus Nathaniel Dwayne Lockett, case number SP 1885892, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Give us your full name, sir.
My name is Nathaniel Dwayne Luckett.
Luckett, forgive me for mispronouncing your name.
Good morning to you, Mr. Luckett. Mr. Luckett, today is the date and time set for a trial, and Mr. Luckett wants a trial date as well.
Yeah, it's pre-trial today, Your Honor, and we're asking for a bench trial date on June 30th. The defendant is advised and knows his rights.
All right, you got it, Mr. Luckett. Trial date is going to be June the 30th at 9 a.m. I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
All right. It's Melanie
Leonard.
Leonard here. Good morning to you, Miss Leonard.
Good morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Melanie Leonard, case number 262-968, strike that, 262-961-871, SP 100607771. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, on behalf of the defendant. Miss Leonard, give us your full name, please.
Melanie Leonard.
All right.
Judge, would you set this for a, good morning, I'm sorry to interrupt. Would you set this for a bench trial June 30th? We will be ready.
June 30th, Miss Leonard. If it's nothing further at 9 a.m., if it's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, you as well. So that'll be on Zoom as well?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you again, Your Honor. I'm standing by.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lunn. Mr. Lunn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, Mr. Lunn wants an appointed attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lunn, I'm going to set this matter for a pretrial date on June the 22nd at 8:30. That date is set so that attorney has an opportunity to contact you, okay? I need you to, you don't recognize, one of those calls should hopefully be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, we'll get one appointed for you on the spot, okay?
Okay, you said June 22nd?
June 22nd. What's the last four of your phone number?
5376.
Okay. All right. Answer the call. You don't recognize, one of those calls will be that, should be that appointed attorney. And if you don't hear from that appointed attorney, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
What happened? City of Detroit versus, this is an easy one. Andre, well, I'll get Mark Lacey and then Andre Gore. I'll get you. City of Detroit versus, did Mark Lacey ever get an attorney? I don't believe so, because I don't see the form filled out here.
Yes, Judge.
You're there. City of Detroit versus Mark Lacey, case number U7443786. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PH 0132 for Mr. Lacey. Mr. Lacey, your name, please.
Mark Alexander Lacey.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do, Mr. Dupree?
Judge, we're just looking for a Zoom bench trial date.
And that would be June 30th, okay?
Judge, is there any chance he could go to the 1st of July?
The 2nd of July.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, 2nd of July, Mr. Lacey at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Let's just get Mr. Gore out of here. You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Andre Darrell Gore. Case number SB 1822367. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441. I'm here on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Andre Darrell Gore.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gore. I believe we're here for purposes of show cause and arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, counselor?
Your Honor, defendant waives formal reading, stands mute at this time.
All right, I enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. I believe we're here because, Mr. Gore, you never paid your obligation.
Yes, when I was supposed to pay that ticketed date you gave me, I actually was hospitalized and I have papers for that. Also, I was stabbed 3 times. That's why I think I missed the last court date.
I'm sorry to hear that. How's your health doing, sir?
I'm actually just starting to walk. I actually just end of last week to the beginning of June now.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. I'm gonna give you another 30 days and come back and we'll hopefully we can get it closed out, but if not, we'll see where we're at, all right?
Okay, that'd be fine.
All right, review is going to be at 8:25 on July the 2nd, 2026. Best of luck, continued good health. We'll be praying for you. If there's nothing further, we'll see you on July the 2nd. All right, July the 2nd.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
You're on. Yes. The name of the probationer.
That's for Christopher Garner.
Christopher Garner.
Yes. All righty. That gets me down to our Charter Gregory. This is the City of Detroit versus Sharda Renee Gregory, case number SP 1695661, SP 188844421. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gregory.
Sade Gregory.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today
morning.
is the time is set for a pretrial, correct, Mr.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
I will pass the matter.
We're ready on Mr. Garza, Jose Garza, Your Honor.
Excuse me, Your Honor, did he say K Gaza? That's good as a Corporal Whitehead.
No. Warning, Corporal, right there.
Well, I got a quick question. Do you on probation? He's going to be put on probation?
No, I just want to know what how he's been progressing.
Okay, the sheet doesn't see him on probation.
No, it's just he's probably on bond. She doesn't see that either.
Let me see. You sure it's not anybody signed in? Everything. Everything's for Christopher.
Yeah, he hasn't been testing or anything.
Yes, it looks like he was supposed to be testing. Everything is pending. And yeah, that's right.
All right. On that iPhone, I just let you in the room. Can you unmute yourself and state your name, please, ma'am?
Monique Love.
Thank you.
Your Honor, she's my client. She has a trial today.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garza. Mr. Garza, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, as to Mr. Garza, he would like to set this matter for a pretrial. What he needs to do is go and apply for a permit for the construction on his house that he did and have an inspection done, and that should resolve these two matters.
I'll give him a pretrial of 6/22/2026, Mr. Garza, at 8:30, June 22nd, 2026 at 8:30. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
All right, this is the city of Detroit, Mr. Soroki versus Jalen Kari Gordon. Case number SP 189-38621. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441. Appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Jalen Kyrie Gordon.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a pretrial. Mr. Gordon, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Soroki. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like that offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Your Honor.
Hey, Your Honor, this is Corporal Whitehead. Can you put me in a breakout room?
Corporal Whitehead, I am. Give me a minute. I'm trying to do multiple things at one time.
Oh, okay, no problem.
All right. Go ahead, Mr. Soroki.
Yes, I was wondering if you have a legal position on drag racing spectator tickets from the city of Detroit, as to whether that's even constitutional or, just visibly just sitting there and watching or being in presence of a drag racing event, if you find that to be a something that can be prosecuted.
Mika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit. I find this ex parte communication a little inappropriate, Mr. Soroki. Why aren't we discussing it first?
Okay, I didn't know what his policy is. Different judges have different policies on them, so that's why. I'm not arguing a brief or arguing the motion. I was just asking if he had a position
It's
on
a
it.
light
Thank you.
motion.
Right.
Okay. Whatever. Okay.
What they have is kind of, she went in and had this thing called.
And speak with the city on that, Miss.
Okay, that's fine.
Ms. Horn.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Do you have, who do you have?
I have Mr. Angel Gabriel Lopez hyphen Hernandez.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
I need a translator.
I need a translator.
¿Hablan español?
Sí, aquí estoy yo, señor.
Ok, disculpe. Buenos días, ¿cómo está?
Okay, excuse me. Good morning to you. How are you?
Well, thank you. Good morning to you.
Gracias.
Interpreter Alice, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. It's Shirley Alcey.
Alcey, good morning to you, Miss Alcey. Who are you here for?
I am here for Miss Island Laurie. Laurie.
I do not believe I've seen that individual appear yet.
Okay.
We will keep our eye out. Island Laurie.
L-A-U.
Okay, I see him on the docket. I do see him on the docket. But I have not checked that person in yet. As soon as that appears, then we will do the best we can to get you out of here as expeditiously as possible, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is that Hussein Faki? Forgive me for mispronouncing. Say that again.
Faki, Officer Faki.
Good morning to you, Officer Faki. I'm
Good morning,
sorry.
sir.
I just want to make sure you're officer. I'm going to go ahead and put you in the breakout room.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's get back to let's go back on the record with Miss Gregory. Miss Gregory, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, if the court could confirm that she has a valid license.
Okay. Can we Miss Gregory's license, please?
He wasn't what?
Can we run?
Okay, 1 second. Let me, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Pertaining to Mr. Gardner, they said it's not in the system that it looks like he was supposed to be tested. Maybe it was. Okay. Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, no, I appreciate it. Okay.
Girl, back up with that phone.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Please mute your devices.
Mr. Well, we're still on the record with, Gregory. Let me run that license. License is valid, Mr. Barry.
Your Honor, we would seek dismissal for compliance.
All right, Mr. Gregory, we're going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. You do have this one ticket that I think was in default. Is an accident ticket for, what is that? I don't know, failure to stop, accident, I don't know. It looks like, I'm gonna look it up though. Yeah, that ticket was in default. You're 156 on that. We're gonna dismiss the other matters, okay?
Okay.
I do wish you the best of luck, ma'am, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Right, for some reason, this bill of rule, I'm not seeing. What is the client's name again?
Angel Gabriel Lopez Hernandez. And what's interesting, Your Honor, is that I had him listed for yesterday as well as today. And yesterday was not here, and today he is here.
Yes, okay. Ms. Villarreal, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
You solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Mr. Barry, this is the city of Detroit versus Jose, no, strike that, Angel Lopez Hernandez, case number SP 1884377, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Señor Berry, este es para usted. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus disculpe, Ángel Gabriel López Hernández, números de caso SP 188-43771, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lopez Hernandez.
Elwood S. Berry, representando al acusado. Usted díganos su nombre completo, señor López Hernández.
Ángel Gabriel López Hernández.
Ángel Gabriel López Hernández.
And good morning to you, Mr. Lopez Hernandez. I may have called this case prematurely. I give the officers a half-hour grace period, and I don't believe this officer has appeared yet.
Y buenos días a usted, señor López Hernández. Me parece que llamé este caso un poco muy pronto porque le damos a los policías 30 minutos para que comparezcan y no creo que el policía en su caso ha comparecido todavía.
Ok, pues mi cita era a las 9.
Oh, okay. Well, my time to appear today was at 9.
Yeah, I give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officers appear, then we'll get you into with Mr. Barry. If the officer doesn't appear, we'll get you out of here.
Sí, entiendo, pero típicamente le permitimos a los policías 30 minutos, pueden llegar hasta 30 minutos tarde. Así que el caso suyo era a las 9, le vamos a dar a él hasta las 9:30 para que pueda comparecer. Si él comparece hoy, entonces le vamos a pedir a usted que hable con el abogado Berry para que lleguen a una resolución.
Claro, me espero aquí en línea entonces.
Okay, so I just continue to wait here online?
Yes, please.
Sí, por favor.
No hay problema.
No problem.
All right, let's pass the matter. This is one that's set for trial that the officer did appear, Mr. Berry. This is the City of Detroit versus Kimberly Dawn Garza, case number SP 187562221. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Garza.
Ms. Garza, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Kimberly Garza.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I did have Corporal Whitehead did appear. Ms. Garza, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
All right, we'll pass the matter. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you, what is your name on the iPhone, sir?
Harold Lewis.
Daryl Lewis. All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. Is that Harold Lewis or Daryl Lewis?
Harold, H-A-R.
Okay, got it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm trying to, it's not, I was trying to log in.
Lee, Miss Lee. You have to mute yourself, please. Good morning to you.
Wait, me through it over the phone because it's not.
All right, I'm just waiting on an attorney. Is anyone ready?
Judge, I'm ready on Raylan Glover. I think I saw him on the screen.
Lover? Yes.
Raylan Glover, are you there? It was just a second ago, Judge. I apologize.
Here. City of Detroit versus Raylan Glover, case number SP 1770662, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1887171, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1887172, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, Ped 0132 for the defendant. Ms. Glover, your name, please.
Raylan Glover.
Raylan Glover, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. What does Ms. Glover want to do?
Judge, just looking to set these matters for Zoom bench trial, would ask for that July 2nd date if possible.
Hey. I need that file, please, Glover. Can I get the sheet here?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set a trial date, Ms. Glover, for What is it, July, what is that, the second you asked for?
Please, Your Honor.
26 at 9 a.m. Ms. Glover, if you don't have anything further, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Well, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garza. Ms. Garza, I've given you an opportunity. You're welcome. Are you done, Mr. Dupree? He's gone. I'm giving you an opportunity, Ms. Garza, to speak with Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry, what's going to happen with this case?
We're ready for trial, Your Honor.
All right. Did you speak to the city?
Not as yet. She's in with officers. I'll be speaking with her shortly.
Okay. What gets me down to most of the other matters are scheduled for trial. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Tana Gaines. Is Tana Gaines here? Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name? Case number is SP 1621602. Count
Tanae Gaines.
SP 168, strike at SX 4688267, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S.
Tanae
Berry
Gaines.
Jr. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Gaines.
Good morning to you, Ms. Gaines. Today is the date and time, and it is set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond and a warrant. I'll recall the warrants as well. Ms. Gaines, Mr. Berry, I have 4 cases I called into the record. One is a driver's license never acquired. The other is a no insurance misdemeanor. There's the one on the docket, no ops, and it went along with the no insurance proof. Ms. Gaines, Mr. Berry is get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I am giving her a $0 bond and recalling the warrants and her not guilty plea on her behalf. Go in the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry, see if he can get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Your Honor, I have the no insurance matters and the no operator's license on the docket. There's a fourth
and then
matter.
driver's license never acquired. One insurance is a civil infraction, the other insurance is a misdemeanor, and the driver's license never acquired and a no ops.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Are you ready on anybody, Mr. Soroki?
Your Honor, I was waiting for an updated offer. But as to Miss Love, as I think her officer has appeared today, because I see there is an officer here with the last name that matches her ticket. So I don't know if she's the officer, if that's the same officer, Jones, J. Jones, or D. Brown.
This is the city of Detroit versus Monique Love. Case number SP 1741480 one appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Monique Love.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for trial. Why don't you check with the city? I'm looking on my list. I have an Officer Jones. Let's see if he's in on this case. I have two Officer Joneses.
It says J. Jones or D. Brown. J. Jones or D. Brown.
Officer, is there Officer J. Jones?
Yes. How you doing, Your
Good
Honor?
morning, Officer Jones. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Yes, I'm Officer Jamon Jones, badge number 2682, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. Day of date and time set for a trial for Ms. Love. Ms. Love, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Soroki. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right,
Thank you.
join the room when you see the prompt. You let us know. Today is the date and time set for that trial.
Okay.
All right, and that will do it for officers. We're now, go ahead and start other trials now. Anyone ready?
While we're waiting, Your Honor, can I get a couple seconds before we go to the next one?
Right.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I gotta check into another courtroom. Do you still need me?
Yeah, well, they're probably gonna, I don't know what's gonna happen with that, but they need to speak with the city. You can go back in there and let the city know that we called that case and see if you can speak to her right quick.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. What about Sterling Lacey?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Oh, you're Officer Sterling Lacey. Okay.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sorry. Let me put you in. Good morning to you. I'll put you in the room as well. All right, we're just gonna wait on an attorney. Morning. Morning to you. Are we ready on anyone? Mr. Ogletree?
Your Honor, I was I didn't see my client. You know if she's appearing?
I do not know that whether she's
Yeah,
appeared or
I've
not.
not seen her. But I'm gonna continue to reach out to her.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
I'm back, Your Honor.
This is the gentleman from Southwest Detroit. He wanted to know, I think he's with the community. He said, were you trying to contact him this morning?
No, I didn't try to.
No. No.
All right, Mr. Barry, we can get Mr. Lopez Hernandez out of here. Where's Mr. Barry? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Angel Lopez Hernandez.
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso de Ángel Gabriel López Hernández.
I call for a officer Juan Alcorta.
Estoy llamando al oficial Alcorta, Juan Alcorta.
I don't see that person on my list.
Pero
and
no
I do
veo
not
esa persona aquí en mi lista.
breakout room, I'm sorry.
Pero no veo esa persona aquí en mi lista.
I'm gonna dismiss this case, no officer. There's nothing further. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Así que voy a desestimar este caso, señor, debido a que el policía no se presentó. Si no tiene usted algo que agregar, le deseamos a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Muchísimas gracias. Son ustedes muy amables.
Thank
Gracias.
you very much. You are all very kind. Thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias, señor.
Adiós.
Goodbye.
Okay, Ms. Villarreal, I think that may do it for you today.
I think so too, Your Honor. See you tomorrow.
I'll see you in the morning.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
You'll have a better one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge,
Yes.
if you guys aren't on the record, I need to ask the clerk something.
Go ahead.
Madam Clerk, I've got Dwayne Green up today, and there's a whole bunch of tickets here that I need to know which ones have a date of birth of 2005, because that's the Dwayne Green who's here. But some of these apparently have a date of birth of 82, and that's a different Dwayne Green.
Okay, and you want to know about the ones 2005?
Yes.
Give me 1 second.
Thank you.
None of them. All of these tickets have the date of birth of 9/25/82.
Got it. All right. Give me 1 second, Madam Clerk.
Jail.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jordan. Mr. Jordan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Yes, Your Honor, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Jordan, he's requesting a court-appointed attorney in this matter.
Is that what you want, Mr. Jordan?
Yes.
I'm gonna set a pretrial for June 22nd, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set so that an attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that attorney by June 22nd, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, I need a good phone number from you.
Here, Your Honor, I have his phone number and his email information and his full name. I can chat that to you or I can email it to you. Oh,
Can you chat that to me now, please?
yes, Your Honor.
You said June 22nd?
June 22nd.
Excuse me, Judge. Mr. Lewis, there's no smoking, sir. Mr. Harold Lewis. Smoking a cigarette.
I'm just waiting on that phone number. That's 313 and the last four is 2711.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Gordon, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
You too.
All right, Mr. Hiroki, this is the city of Detroit versus Kenwan Shanta Lee, case number SP 1899347, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. I'm supposed to go in Sade.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record?
Kenwan Lee.
Kenwan Lee, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it is set for a
Pre-trial.
set for a pretrial. Mr. Lee, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Soroki. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, you join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaines. Ms. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to failure to display for the no license charge, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take this deal, Ms. Gaines?
Yes.
You don't want to try to get a license?
No, I'm going to get one. I'm going to get my license.
So you want me to give you some time to do that?
Yes, sir.
When will you get your license?
I'm trying to set me an appointment sometime this week or next week.
All right, well, do it this week. Come back on pre-trial June 22nd, 2026 at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
As to Ms. Garza, Your Honor?
Yes.
Per the prosecutor, the matters to be dismissed.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Garza. Ms. Garza, your case is dismissed per city attorney. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
You as well.
Thank you.
Judge, I'm ready on Dwayne Green.
That's what I was just about to find out who was on Dwayne Green. City of Detroit versus Dwayne Maurice Green, case number SP 106-2426, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 125-48122, SP 133-6921, counts 1, SP 1405008, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 141-44951, SP 1517238, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3, SP 166-88221, SP 168-1642, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1884884, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1885480, counts 1 and counts 2, 105822061. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, Pede 0132, attorney for the defendant. Well, kind of, not really, actually. Judge, Dwayne Green Sr. is the individual who received all of these tickets. Dwayne Green Jr. had a different matter in 36th District Court and was told these were his tickets. He appeared for a prior court date. No one caught that it was the wrong date of birth. He requested appointed counsel because he claimed to be innocent of all the charges, which makes sense considering the circumstances. Upon confirming that he was not on any of the tickets, I told him that he didn't need to stick around because these aren't his cases. At this time, I would move to withdraw because the actual defendant has not requested appointed counsel, and I believe these matters should just go back into capias status because the correct Dwayne Green has not appeared.
Is Dwayne Green here? The one you were representing?
Because they weren't his tickets, Judge, I had told him he could leave.
All right, I sure would like to see if he had contact with his father, potentially his father.
I inquired, Judge. He said he has never had contact with his father.
All right, that's unfortunate. Okay. All right. Okay.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Failure to appear.
And I would just ask, Judge, I don't know if there's like the appointed attorney form with Dwayne Green Jr.'s contact info is still in the file, but if that could be crossed out so that in the future people realize his phone number isn't the phone number for this.
Once you throw it away.
Okay.
And then the same with the address. Thank you, Judge.
Very well. Take it easy. On the Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Marcus Geiger.
Zoom user, no, Zoom user. Young lady, what's your name, please?
Ebony Glenn.
Ebony Glenn. Good morning to you, Miss Glenn.
Good morning.
Your Honor, we are already on Marcus Geiger.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Marcus Geiger, case number 262-979-291. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, would you unmute your device by pressing *6? Oh, I guess you already did. Give your name for the record.
Marcus Geiger.
Good morning to you, Mr. Geiger. Today is the date for a pre-trial. Mr. Geiger, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Oh, you already know what, you want the trial date?
Bench trial date, please, on Zoom, June 30th, if we can fit us in.
All right, that trial date, Mr. Geiger, is gonna be June 30th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Geiger, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Who's available? Let's call the city of Detroit versus Carlos Keith Garrett. This is case numbers SP 107-36781, SP 107-9901, SP 108-1896, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 160-2707, SP 160-42221, SP 187-1274, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 9473761, SP 950541, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 9636251, 1839454741, U655911010, 18513861, 1, and the state of Michigan versus Carlos Keith Garrett, case number SX 4288546, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garrett.
Carlos Keith Garrett.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time is set for a trial. Let's see who we have as far as officers. I got Corporal Corpick, I got Corporal Rule, I got M. Davis, I have C. James, and that appears to be everyone. You can check that with Miss Horn, Mr. Barry. Let me pull them out. Officer Davis, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Right now, Officer Makai Davis, badge 2999, Detroit Police Department.
You have to turn your camera on so Mr. Garrett can see you, please. All right.
Officer,
and take your hat off, please.
Police Officer Makai Davis, badge 2999, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Breakout room. Corporate, I'm trying to pull out of the breakout room. And I don't think I see any other officers. Mr. Barry, see if you can sort this out for Mr. Garrett. Mr. Garrett, I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, the day is the date and time set for trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. All right, Mr. Soroki, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. At this time, Mr. Lee has valid documents, he has valid insurance, and valid registration. We ask court to dismiss all three matters, all three tickets for compliance.
All right, I'm going to dismiss your cases, Mr. Lee, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, thank you. Same to you.
You're welcome. Is Mr. Boffman here on Gutierrez? All right. Mr. Soroki,
Yes.
let's call the city of Detroit versus Michael LaFell. Case number SP 1299149, counts 1, 2, and 3. 18-437064, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1007047, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1098505, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1124484, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1197081-1, SP 1267901, counts 1, 2, and 3. Oh, strike count 3. All right, SP 1272082, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1297961, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1319611, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 131962941, SP 1340682, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1470955, SP 1608875, count 2. SP 1659997, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1689656, SP 1765283, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1818855, SP 1827971, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1834731, SP 1854072, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1854781, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1879393, counts 1. SP 1879395, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1716077, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1791158, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 9734421, counts 1, 2, and 3. 17393806, counts 1 and counts 2. 18-4372612, 22745851, counts 1 and counts 2. And the state of Michigan versus Michael LaFell, case number SX 242311151. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Michael LaFall.
I'll take Mr. LaFawn into a breakout room and talk to the prosecutor and get an offer, Your Honor.
I counted 65. Good morning to you, Mr. LaFall. Go ahead. I'm going to check and see the officers that have appeared.
Okay.
So I have A. Hill appear. Man. I have Corporal Vasion appear. I have Officer Batum appear. Kai appear. Sterling Jones appear. Officer Jones, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Jones, badge 3590.
You have to start your camera, please. Officer Jones, can you?
Jones, badge 3590.
All right, and that's Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Corpus, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, Corporal Corpus, badge 775, City Detroit Police Officer, 8th Precinct.
Corporal Bajan, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Corporal Jamie Bajan, badge 234, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. I think that's it, Mr. Soroka. You can sort it out. Mr. LaFalle will put you in a breakout room with him. If you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, can I just confirm the police officers' names? Anthony Hill, Kropik, Jones, Batum, and I must have missed one or two, so.
I have, A. Hill,
Yes, I have that.
Bajan, Corporal
Yeah.
Bajan, Batum,
Beige. Yeah, I saw Bayesian. Where's her name?
Ty. I have Officer Sterling Jones.
Okay.
I have Officer Charles as well.
Okay, Charles.
I have Officer Corporal Hill. No, I have Officer Hill. No, Corporal Hill is Corporal Hill. And then I think I have Corporal Corporate. Officer Lacey appeared as well.
Okay.
And that's the only ones I have.
Okay, thank you.
We'll pass the matter. Attorney Carpenter.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Who's your client?
Lloyd Golden.
Say that again.
Lloyd Golden.
Golden?
Yeah, Golden.
Golden. That doesn't sound right.
Golden, Judge?
Oh, he said Gol. Do you see him on the docket?
Lloyd Golden,
Lloyd Golden, you see him on the docket? 835?
Yes. Lloyd.
Yeah, I don't see him.
Right under Global.
I see him, but I don't think he showed.
Oh, okay.
Your Honor, I have a case ready as well.
Which one do you have ready?
Miss Graves is here. She's here on her break. So we've already worked something out.
Where is she?
She should be in the main session. I'll let her in.
She's here. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Leticia Graves. Case number SP 186-3165, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1899-3131. SP 1899-344, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 885098, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Hearing over screen for Miss Graves, P number 69167. Miss Graves, can you state your name?
Alicia Graves.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Yes.
The date and time is set for a trial. There were some more allegations? No, I think that encompassed everything.
Yeah, so it's 3 officers. So I spoke to the prosecutor. So it's going to be in terms of Officer Valentine's case. She's going to plead to fail to display and blockading, and then the other 2 officers' tickets going to be dismissed. So basically, the balance will be dismissed. So fail to display and blockading. She said she.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail, the misdemeanor, and or $500 in fines? You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice of rights in the breakout room, did he not?
We didn't get a chance to speak in the breakout room. He spoke to me before I went on break.
Did he go over your advice of rights?
Yes.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Okay.
Do you know that?
I know now.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 15th, 2026, around 5:31 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of I-96 Service Drive westbound. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
I'm sorry.
You couldn't produce a valid license, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have one.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes.
All right, I'll find you responsible for that amended count of blocking traffic. I'm not gonna fine you for that. I'll just fine you $240. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees. $240, ma'am. When can you pay it?
Probably the third week of this month.
Say that again.
The third week of this month.
Third week of the month. So can you pay it by June the 26th?
Yeah.
All right, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Mr. Lewis, Harold Lewis,
Yes, Your Honor.
want me to just set you a trial date, sir? This is really can't get any worse. It can only get better or stay the same.
Yes, sir.
All right, City of Detroit versus Harold Lewis, case number SP 1899708, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Lewis, state your name for the record, please.
Harold Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm just gonna set you up with a trial date on June the 30th, 2026 at 9 a.m. We'll get some resolution on that date, okay?
Okay.
Harold Lewis. Harold Lewis. June 30th, 2026, 9 a.m. and no smoking anymore, all right, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now while you're in here, my buddy, he's passed away now, not from smoking, but he used to smoke. I was telling him, Hey, that's taking 7 minutes off your life. And he said, Perk, that's taking 7 minutes off the end of my life. And I said, all right. You know what I'm saying? So take it easy, Mr. Lewis. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
As well. Thank you.
Your Honor, can I have co-host abilities?
Mr. Golden is here. Good morning to you, Mr. Golden.
Good morning, sir.
You need a breakout room with your client, Mr. Carpenter, or what do you want to
Yes,
do?
Your Honor.
Join breakout room 6, please.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, this is Shirley, the interpreter. I'll say, should we still be waiting on that young lady or no?
I mean, that's totally up to you, Ms. Elsay. We'll be here if you want to check back in. If you don't find us here, if you try to check back in, then that means that that individual did not show.
Okay, I'll stay on till like 10:30.
Very well.
Okay, thank you.
All right. And it's multi-language. What languages?
Oh, I speak Haitian Creole and I also speak French.
That's pretty good. And this is what language were you
Translating for Haitian Creole today.
Oh, okay. Now those are similar to French Creole, right?
It is similar, a lot of similar words, but just because somebody speaks Haitian Creole, they may not be able to understand French.
Oh, Haitian Creole, yes.
It is different. Haitian that sound like they speak French, that would be different. You said Creole. Yeah.
Can we get Ms. Warren back in here, please? I'm going to try to get you out of here, Ms. Glenn, as soon as I get an attorney available, and the rest of the people, they have individuals have trial dates set. So.
Okay.
Do you want to? Let's get one of the attorneys out of here now. Get Ms. Glenn on her way, and then we will. Mr. Barry. Mr. Barry?
Yes, Your Honor.
I pulled you out so we can take care of Miss Glenn right away. This seems like a more simple one than I know you got your plate full with the other ones, but this is the city of Detroit versus Ebony Glenn, case number SP 19001121, SP 19001183, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Glenn.
Ebony Glenn.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Why don't you take a minute and speak with Mr. Barry? He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes.
All right, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you see we got an offer for for Love?
Yes, I did. She's going to go to trial on it. We're ready right now if the court's ready. I don't have an offer on the other case for Mr. LaFolle yet.
Okay. All right, I don't see, I'm waiting on Ms. Horn. So as soon as Ms. Horn gets here, we'll get going.
Okay, very good.
At 313-296-9758. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Terry Green.
Who is that? Who is that, Green?
Terry, T-R-Y.
Oh, Terry Green. Good morning to you, Mr. Green.
Good morning.
Are we ready on Golden?
Yeah, that's correct, Your Honor.
The city of Detroit versus Lloyd Brown Golden, case number SP 188898811. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Lloyd Golden. Can you please say your full name for the record?
Lloyd Brown Golden.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Golden, what does Mr. Golden want to do, Mr. Carpenter?
Your Honor, he wishes to set the matter for a bench trial.
Trial date will be June 30th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Golden, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Terry Green, did an attorney ever contact you?
Yes, sir. His name was Matthew Dupree, I think.
All right, let's get Matthew Dupree back in here, please. That's one of the first persons that I've asked that actually knows the attorney. Can we get him back in here? I don't know if I have this, so. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Okay. I got it. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Well, did they send it to the court? Okay. Well, we have a copy. Okay. Okay, thank you. Hi. Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Officer Brent.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
You were here on Chris
Lee.
But he never appeared. I do want to let you know that there is a half-hour grace period. Usually if you don't make it, then we'll dismiss the case. But in this case, no Chris Lee. So what's good for the goose, good for the gander. And we'll just reset it for another day. Just keep in mind that half-hour grace period, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, be safe out there. You are free to leave.
All right, thank you, sir. You have a good one.
You have a better one. Corporal Reinhardt, good morning to you. Chris Lee never appeared. So
good morning, sir.
You are free to leave.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, I'll see you
have a
soon.
good one.
Be safe.
All right. Cool. Yep.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you?
Personally, felt right. Courtroom. It's for me.
I got you. I didn't mess anything up. That's the.
This is me.
Corporal Hardy, good morning to you. Who are you here on? Corporal Hardy. Good morning to you, Corporal Hardy. Who are you here on? You're inaudible. You're unmuted, but it's still something wrong with your audio. I don't know if that worked. No. Are you here on Garner? Christopher Garner? All right. If you put it in the chat, it'll help. I just want to know who your defendant is. Yeah, you're coming inaudible. This could be LaFell or Garrett. No, it's going to be the Garner or LaFell. LaFall, I don't know. All right, let's, I was gonna excuse you if the defendant did not show up, but I can't hear you. You can't hear me? Can everybody else hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah, I think that's wrong on your end. I'm gonna send you a chat. Did you text Ms. Horn? Please. I sent you a chat. If you just put it in the chat, yeah, I don't. All right, I'm gonna go on a recess.
She did. She didn't respond yet. Let me know when she speaks. No problem.
Court is in recess. Please mute your devices.
Okay, okay. There might have been an issue. Am I going to take the cable? On your computer temporarily. Issue. I'm sorry. Sometimes these printers have a different connections. Yeah, yeah. This works when we're walking. Okay. Have you seen it again? No, that's gonna stop for a second. Right. Yeah. Yeah, it was it. It was on cable. Okay. So my bad. I'm sorry. Maybe you this again. That works. Sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just in case, I would almost have you try that password again, but if It
just
looks like
in
it's pretty
case.
good. Yeah, I think it's good. How do you know what cable to plug in?
No, you're not gonna.
Oh. I'm not gonna do
This
that.
is just here.
Okay.
So what you're having to do right now is make sure you're signed in. Computer will remember your credentials.
Okay.
This is the first step.
Okay.
Let's say next time you go, let's say you go in 3 weeks.
Yes.
But you change your password or something in the meantime.
Okay.
Well, since you're using this, that's not gonna happen, but you will sign in.
Okay.
This does tend to, so yeah, you kind of have to give us a call and let us know.
If I have an issue.
Yeah.
So where I go to jail is and everything.
It is so. Okay. If you're gonna work there, I don't think you should be using the VPN. It's more complicated, so.
Okay.
Okay, so another- You have authenticated.
Yes, I do. Put it this way. That's gonna have to be put back on my phone because I just switched.
You need to do that too.
Yeah.
Let me gonna reset yours. So no, no need to. I'm gonna go there anyway. Right,
Okay.
so. In a second, plug this in so you can do the computer.
I'm glad you asked about that, 'cause I had this phone, but we're no more. I have to get them. Okay.
Let me reset that.
Okie dokie.
You ready? Everything to make sure it's working.
Thank you. Good, D? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you for asking. How was your weekend?
Okay.
Look, same here, okay?
They have my soul food down there today.
Huh?
They have a soul food down there.
Ooh, are they?
Troy Soul, I think.
Okay, I'm gonna check it out. Sometimes they just be so expensive.
They do. Lately, I ain't been liking nobody beef.
For real, has it been rough?
Everybody beef been horrible lately.
No.
Got some meatloaf from the last time. I wanted to be like, sir. Is this a cow or?
Right, what is it?
You a fool. You make this at the crib. Got some other kind of animals back there.
Okay.
This ain't meatloaf, brother.
Try from this side. I said we can be going with this for right now. Yeah.
So, sign everything, if you can. Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. It's still okay.
Yeah, those two. Yeah.
Okay.
For me.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay. Yes.
So you can put that.
Okay, I'm fine.
You know your jeans password.
Yes. Wait a minute. That's right, it's saying it's automatically alarm.
Oh, that's why I'm asking.
I got a thing. Oh, man.
Get to that. Oh.
Okay, is anybody ready?
They're both on their way though.
Okay.
Miss Warren texts us
So probably not
just
yet.
yet. Court is back in session. Did it ever get working, Officer Corporal Hardy? No, it never did. Maybe she chatted, I don't know.
She on mute something.
Oh, she's not, her device is not right. Samsung, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, state your name, please? Samsung. Did Dupree ever appear?
I'm unmuted. Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you. Who's your, I'm gonna put you off on the other one. Who is your, defendant?
It is Stephen Lawrence.
Okay, Stephen Lawrence is here. He was here. He's here, yeah, all right, great. That's why I was making sure, because I was gonna go ahead and let you go if not, but, all right, Stephen Lawrence is here, and we're just waiting on the, city attorney. And good morning to you. Let's see who this is. iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Monique Love.
Okay. They're still trying to, I don't know, they're, I guess you're gonna have a trial.
Okay.
I'll tell you, if you answer the call, Miss Love, if you have a phone call and you answer it, you're just gonna kick you off of Zoom, okay?
Okay.
So you probably don't wanna answer your calls until you're done with this.
Okay.
What you gotta do? Go give a break to front door. What did they say about you?
Judge, Judge,
Yes, Corporal Hardy.
I have a question. When I see this telephone come up, am I supposed to call that number?
I don't see a telephone.
Oh, okay. So I see a phone and I did try calling it. I guess it's house counsel's number, but he didn't answer.
No,
Yeah, I
Okay.
don't know.
you might
I
be
don't
looking
have
at the phone number, the phone icon for the gentleman that's on the line.
Oh, okay.
That's
Okay.
that's
All
just
right.
a
Thank
defendant
you.
that's waiting.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Oh, that's the one in the room. Oh, no, I don't know. I don't know. All right.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to watch them. And Sam, all right.
Okay. Are we ready on anyone?
I have the offer on the file. I'm waiting for the prosecutor Horn to put it in writing and send it to you.
And who's that?
And that's on LaSalle. Hey, actually, he fell off, or he's back on. He's back now. I have to go over his offer with him, Your Honor.
Oh, he's here. He's sitting in the room. I don't know why you keep coming out the room, Mr. LaFell.
Mr. LaFell, please go back to your room. I'll meet you there. Thank you.
Not sure how to get back.
You got back the last time. That's not the first time you came out.
You are correct, but I don't know how to get back now.
Go down to the bottom of the screen. There should be a more button or something down there.
Crash petition page. Oh, there it goes.
Here's a bunch you can start if you want to.
Okay.
That's a Mr. LaFell.
Okay.
The ones I didn't put anything by, they haven't made a decision on yet.
Okay, thank you, I will start. Okay.
You can, why don't you make a copy of that and I can
Okay.
go back in here. Are we ready on anyone? Are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. LaFell. Mr. LaFell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client's accepting the offer of the prosecution in this matter.
All right, and what is that offer?
Okay. Do you want, as to ticket ending in 8752, Miss,
Well, why don't we do it like, let's see, how many pleas is it?
there is 8 pleas.
8, and then what are they?
2, 3, 4, 4 improper plates, 3 failed to displays, and 1 allowing.
You want to take the deal, Mr. LaFell?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90, these offenses, misdemeanors are 93 days in jail
Yes.
and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
You did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
And has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, 4 improper plates and 4 allowing, correct?
Yeah, it's 4 improper plates, 3 failure to displays, and 1 allowing.
All right, let me see if I can, give me 1 more minute. Okay. Got anything? Let's do this, any objection? Where's Miss Horn? She's here? No, I'm gonna see if we, you don't have any, I'm gonna take this under a no contest plea just because there's so many pleas and it's so many for judicial economy and, and, Thinking it's probably gonna be a difficult recollection of all these tickets and incidents. Any objection to that, Mr. Soroki?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have any objection to taking this under a no contest plea, Mr. LaFell? What it means is, you won't be, stating that you're guilty, but, I'll treat it as a guilty plea for sentencing. You have any objection to that?
No, sir.
All right, and then furthermore, do you have, you're not, do you plan on contesting the fact that you got stopped on any of these individual occasions?
As far as the ones that I have remaining,
Yeah.
no.
Well, you're agreeing that you got stopped on all these occasions, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. The court will enter 4 improper plates. For SP 1854781, count 1 will be improper plate for the no insurance misdemeanor. And count 2 of that will be allowing for the driver while license suspended. For SP 1827971, the court will enter. Oh, that's dismissed. Strike that, SP 181885551, driver license suspended. The court will enter a failure to display. For that, no contest. For SP 1765283, counts 1, 2, and 3. For the unregistered untitled, the court will enter an improper plate for the unregistered untitled. For the driving while license suspended, there'll be a failure to display. And for the insurance, it'll be improper plate. For
Ask a question.
What is the question, sir?
I just paid 3 tickets.
We're not talking about anything that you were able to pay. Those tickets, these aren't, we're not talking about, and none of these tickets were you able to pay. They're all misdemeanor tickets and you had to have them adjudicated before they were closed out.
That's what I'm saying. I just paid 3 of them that were misdemeanors.
You can't pay 3 misdemeanors unless they were already adjudicated. We're only talking about the unadjudicated cases right now.
Oh, so the 8 that I have pending, okay.
Right, that's all we're talking about. And anything that I'm listening.
Get on the same page with you, that's all.
Yeah, I'm trying to get you on the same page.
I'm trying
You got so many pages here, I'm trying to get on the same page myself.
I'm just trying to understand.
What I'm trying to explain to you is, as far as a misdemeanor, if you were able to pay anything in that computer or online or however you paid it, that means either 1, it was a civil infraction, or 2, it was a misdemeanor that a judge had already ruled on, and it was just the money that you owed out there. Everything else that we're talking about right now Oh, well, you still owe a lot of civil infractions. You still owe a lot of civil infractions that haven't been paid. But the stuff we're talking about are all misdemeanors that have not yet been adjudicated. So those, it'll be 8 more of those. And then, so do you, am I explaining that to you? That you understand it?
Yeah, I believe I understand.
For SP 1896561, that's gonna be failure to display, no contest. And then one more, I believe, SP 1659973. And let me count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
So it's stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, for the fine, I'm gonna fine you for 4 of these. 240. $240 for the 3 failure to displays. And then $240 for the 1 allowing. I will dismiss the allowing upon payment. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You're gonna pay any and all reinstatement fees.
Did already.
No, you didn't.
I paid the 125 already.
Listen.
Oh, that's for the 8. Okay, I got you.
No, that's for all the other civil, and I count 1, 2, you have another, you got another $15, $45 reinstatement fees on the cases that were not adjudicated. Everything that's got a $95, that's $50 warrant fee. I'm waiving the $50 warrant fee. And the other 45 of that is a reinstatement fee. So you're gonna pay all of those. I'm gonna set the matter for a review on 8/25, on 7/2/2026, July 2nd, 2026. I'm marking the file allow payment plan. So you can either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways to pay it, but again, the 2 best ways. I think I have everything correct on my end. Do you have any other questions?
So if I get on a payment plan, I'll be okay.
Yeah, you'll be okay. You won't have to deal with me until you're done, and you can come back and see if everything has been closed out like it's supposed to be. So either do 1 of 2 things, pay it, or come on down to the court on or before July the 2nd to get into a payment plan. Your next court date is at 8/25 on July the 4th. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
July what, Judge? Hold on.
July 2nd, I'm sorry. You can put that in the spot. Okay. All right. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, well. Who, are we ready on Miss Glenn, Mr. Barry?
Yes, Your Honor, if she's still here.
Yeah, let's go back on the record with, where would she go?
I think she's not in the breakout room.
Miss Glenn, are you here?
Yes, I am.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Glenn. Miss Glenn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
The matters are to be dismissed, Your Honor, per the prosecutor.
All right. All right, Miss Glenn, case is dismissed. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. Who's next?
Your Honor, this is the people. I just had a quick question. The Christopher Garner scheduled for 9 a.m. with the dog cases, did he appear?
He did. He's with Boffman.
Oh, and because there's two Christopher Garners, I just wanted to make sure.
I don't see one. I only saw one. I didn't know if
Because
Christopher.
I looked it up, Your Honor, because yesterday the one that's listed first with the dog cases, Boffman didn't discuss dog cases with me. His birthday is 1980, and the other one is 1990.
Okay, very well. I haven't seen the 1980 individual then.
Okay, thank you. And I'll double check with Boffman. Thank you, Your Honor.
Very well. All right, let's go. The city of Detroit. Who are we ready on?
Mr. Garrett, Your Honor.
Let's go call. Did we call that case? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Carlos Keith Garrett. Mr. Garrett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display Officer Kropik's matter at 6781, improper plates for the no registration charge as to Officer Rule, I believe that's 8963, and finally allowing for the improper license charge of Officer Christian at 6251.
All right, I'm gonna just do it for judicial economy, just one offer. I don't know if we can consolidate it. Mr. Mr. Garrett, would you want to take the deal?
Yes.
All right, turn your camera on.
How you cut the camera on?
You done it before. You did it last time. Let's see. I'm sending you the prompt. You said failure to display, one improper plate and one allowing, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, he's not ready. Do you have anybody else, Mr.? Are there? All right, raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 6th, 2026 at around 11:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Schaefer Highway and Plymouth. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Is that your 2013 Ram?
No, it's not.
All right. Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and registration?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have it.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the unregistered untitled, and find your client guilty of amended count of allowing for the other matter for the driving while license suspended. I gotta go back then. Let me carry your attention way back to May the 7th, 2020 in the city of Detroit around 11:28 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Evergreen and Capitol. You recall getting pulled over in an 02 Ford on that date and time? You do?
Yes.
Were you operating that Ford?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have it.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss these other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 240, sir. I'll cut you a break. 240. When can you pay?
240.
Yes.
I could probably pay that this Friday, sir.
All right. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees. You too owe a lot of other civil infractions. You need to see if you can get into a payment plan on those. I'll say pay by this Friday on the 240. That's a failure to display. Maybe a $45 reinstatement fee on that, so it may read 284. But I'm waiving the warrant fee. You'll pay the reinstatement fee. I'll say you'll pay it by this Friday is June the 5th. So 5th, I'll even mark the file allow payment plan. All right. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. Okay.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Who's next?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's next? What about Monique Love? We're gonna have a try. We need to get.
What happened to the officer? I don't have his number.
I don't know.
He
checked in.
That's what Soroki said, but I never spoke to him and I don't have his number.
Well, we're gonna dismiss it then.
Okay.
All
I'm
right.
talking about Officer Jones because I'm still here.
Is
that Officer Jones?
Yes, I never left.
Oh,
he's here.
He's in the main section.
All right, well, y'all.
My way.
This is the prosecutor. I'll come check you. I thought you was that.
No, man.
All right. What about Stephen Lauren? Or we're waiting on Boffman? I guess Boffman's got all the other defendants except Monique Love. Go ahead, Mr. Soroki, and maybe you can, speak to Miss Love and see if you can, unless you've already developed your case or strategy.
We're ready to go, Your Honor. I've been back and forth with her this morning.
Mr. Boffman, I'm here ready for you.
We're ready on Stephen Lawrence, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Stephen Lawrence, case numbers SP 191, strike that, SP 911847, counts 1, 2, and 3. Is that Z80695661 and 194956661, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman, P55052 for the defendant. Give us your full name, sir.
Stephen Lawrence.
Can you give us your full name?
Stephen Ozell Lawrence.
Thank you.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lawrence. I did have Officer Williams appeared and Corporal Croxton appeared. I didn't see Officer Dean, I don't believe.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, T70303. Corporal Hardy is on that case and she was the partner that day. Officer Dean is no longer with DPD, so I was unable to subpoena her. The people are moving for dismissal on the OWI.
Whoa, you got a break there.
Yeah,
Corporal Hart, good morning. Can you state
Good
your name
morning,
for
Corporal
the
Terry
record,
Hardy,
please?
badge 4662.
All right. All right, good morning to you. Okay, Corporal Hardy, you're free to leave. Best of luck and you be safe out there.
All right, thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Corporal.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
What is gonna be the resolution on the other issues here?
So
Anything?
there's a plea agreement. The defendant is advised of his rights. He's going to waive those here and now in order to plead guilty to one count of failure to display a valid driver's license. The balance of the matter set for trial today will be dismissed. He's ready to give you a factual basis to accept his guilty plea.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, I do.
Mr. Boffman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
I do.
Any questions about those rights?
No,
You know about taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Well, let me draw your attention way back to August the 7th, 2018, at around 2:35 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Chalmers. Do you recall being stopped by the Detroit Police Department around that date and that time?
I do.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
I was.
And the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
He did.
And you could not do so, could you?
I could not.
And why is that?
I didn't have it.
Very well. I'll find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. With the stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated as to each matter being dismissed as part of today's agreement. Thank you.
All right. 240. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fees. When can you pay it, Mr. Lawrence?
Pay today.
I'll just put pay by Friday at least. 2026. You pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. You do owe some other civil infractions that we didn't deal with. They were too old, but I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. Okay.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. It'll be in the system. When you see that 240, you pay it, or
All right.
280. It's probably gonna be 285, and then you got the other stuff to pay as well too. All right, so be safe, sir. I appreciate your patience. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you too.
Judge, I'll be right back. I'm working on the last two.
Okay, I'll meet you in the breakout room. I did get your text.
Nice. Thank you.
I'll tell you what, Mr. Green here? Is he there? He's gone. Mr. Dupree was here. I could have given Mr. Green the same dates. I don't know why this.
closed. You reached Attorney Matthew Dupree. I'm unable to answer the phone right now. We're ready for trial of Monique Love, Your Honor.
Okay. Where's the city? City, where's the city? I know that, I hope they didn't leave.
I'm not sure, were they talking to us?
No,
Monique?
I'm trying to get the city attorney in here, Ms. Love.
I heard her say she was going to talk to Mr. Boffman in the room, if I'm not mistaken. I heard her say she got his message and she was going to meet him in the room.
Mr. Shiroki, go to room 3
Okay.
and and tell Ms. Horn we're ready. Mr. Green was here. I told him to zoom back in. I have a phone number for him, Mr. Dupree.
I think I had already had it, Judge. I was texting him when I was here earlier and had texted him yesterday to get on and didn't hear back from him, so I didn't think he was going to be returning.
Call him now. There's a 296 number that you have.
Yep, I will call him right now.
All right, I just told him to zoom back in. He said, okay.
Very good, Judge. Judge, for what it's worth, we are just setting for a bench, so we could also, if the court wanted, just do that, and I'll tell him the date.
All right, City of Detroit versus Terry Green, case number, SP 178557771, appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PA 0132 for the defendant, whose appearance I'd asked the court to waive due to some confusion regarding timing.
All right, I'll waive the presence. I did speak with him, July the 2nd.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you.
You as well, Judge. Thank you. Sorry for the delay.
Sorry. Somebody's at the door.
I don't know who that is.
Just wait till Officer Wilson. Don't stress it.
Okay. I don't know who it is. Is that a, does he work here?
Are we ready on Gutierrez?
Ready.
Good morning to you. Good afternoon to you, Ms. Gutierrez. This is the city of Detroit versus Ana J. Alexis Gutierrez, case number SP 173-91771, SP 186-5803, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1904462, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Bachman, P55052 for the defendant. Would you, ma'am, give the court your full name? You're on mute.
Garner's license is valid.
Nice.
Harris,
Your Honor, I just place on the record before Ms. Gutierrez comes back that today's the date and time set for trial. After having a discussion with the prosecutor, she has agreed to join me in asking the court to reset this matter for a bench trial for two reasons. The one is that there remains a possibility that we can come to a pre-trial disposition on this. I've been asked for some things in writing. I'd like time to do that as well. There is a race gesti witness, unbeknownst to me until my speaking with Ms. Gutierrez today, a passenger in the motor vehicle. I believe the presence of that witness at trial and the testimony of that witness at trial is crucial to the defendant's defense. And we're apologizing because we understand that this court is under time constraints. But if you would reset this for pretrial, we will be set and ready at that time.
Pre-trial or trial?
A trial, please.
All right, the 30th of June. State your name for the record, Ms. Gutierrez.
Najee Gutierrez.
All right, 30th of June. Good afternoon to you. Be safe, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
What time on the 30th?
9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
And
You
you're
ready on Garner?
Ready.
City of Detroit versus Christopher Garner, case number SP 1516295, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1123061, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 116799931. SP 1184473, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 122-11291. SP 1307777, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 132-26132. SP 789716, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 94512, counts 1 and counts 2. U 314-20016, 14-544-2301, 16-212-9551. Appearance for the record, please.
Police Court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Sir, state your name.
Christopher Garner.
So these matters are set for trial, Your Honor. A lot of them are very old. I want to let you know that the defendant is in compliance at this time, that he has a valid driver's license, he has a valid registration, he has a valid insurance. And for that reason, and also for the reason that dismissal is in the best interest of justice, the prosecutor has agreed to that as a recommendation that all of these cases would be dismissed, and that for each one of them, I would stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
All right. Well, congratulations on your having valid driver's license and your information together, sir.
Thank you.
Can you just picture them out before we call it? All right. Ms. Thompson is in.
Get yourself, please, Mr. Bachman, please. Let me get you. I'm gonna get you out of here in 1 second. I'll grant the motion to dismiss those for for the reasons stated. And I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll pay any reinstatement fee. Okay? And you do owe another civil infraction of 108. If there's nothing further, sir, again, congratulations on getting your license and getting your stuff taken care of. I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yes, question. Civil infraction fee, when do I, like, is it a time limit I'm paying now, like, or when do I pay it? Like, will it become a warrant?
You can pay it any time. There's no warrants on civil infractions. If you don't pay it, then they'll end up probably submitting a case for civil fines and take you to civil court for it.
Gotcha. Okay,
All right.
just civil infraction, that's it?
Civil infractions and the reinstatement fees. So you'll see a bunch of $45 reinstatement fees and the civil infraction.
All right.
All right. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well. Thanks.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Garner, feel free to call me with any questions or text me.
All right. Thanks a lot. We're not still on the record, are we?
You're free to go and then text me. We are.
All righty.
All right. So thank you, Your Honor. You and your staff have a great day.
Have a good one, Mr. Bachman.
Bye, y'all.
Okay. Judge, Ms. Love is going to accept off the prosecutions, man.
All right. That's a big turn of events there. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Monique Love, case number SP 174-140. Strike that. SP 174-14801. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Monique Love.
All right. Good morning to you, Ms. Love. Good afternoon now. Today, a state time is set for a trial. Ms. Love, you want to take the deal that is as charged. It's going to be a $500 fine. It's going to be a gun safety course, and you forfeit the firearm. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Officer, can you take Officer Jones, good morning to you. Can you take your scarf off your head if it's not for religious purposes, Officer Jones? And turn your camera on, please.
Yeah, so to be advised, Judge, I am working undercover right now, so that's why I have so I'm not going to be in uniform.
Yeah, that's fine about the uniform. Just take your headgear off and turn your camera on, please.
Okay.
All right, good morning. You state your name for the record, please. Badge number and department, Officer Jones.
Yes, I'm Officer Jamon Jones, badge number 2682, working for Detroit Police Department.
All right, very good. All right, Ms. Horn, you want to put your appearance on the record?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
All right, I just wanted Ms. Love to be able to see who her accuser is. If you're satisfied, Ms. Love, you can go ahead and turn your camera off, Mr. Jones, Officer Jones.
Roger.
All right, day is date and time set for a trial, and you want to take this deal, right, Ms. Jones? Ms. Love, I'm sorry.
Yes.
All right, do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Warren went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not? Mr. Soroki, I'm sorry.
What did-
Did Mr. Soroki go over your other advice or rights?
Yes.
Understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June 11, 2025, at around 8:35 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Corbett and Ansbury. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
And did you have a firearm with you, ma'am?
Yes.
And did you discharge that? Go ahead.
I'm sorry. It was given to me that day.
Did you discharge that firearm in the city limits?
Did I discharge it?
Yes.
No.
Okay, we got to have a trial.
I'm kind of confused because this had never happened to me. I'm sorry.
Well, you just indicated, I don't know where the confusion is. I asked you, did you shoot that firearm? Did you discharge that firearm?
It was bad accident. Okay.
Around that date and that time?
Yes, it was by accident.
All right, so find her guilty as charged. Yeah, that's why you need to take a gun safety course as well. It's going to be a 12-month delayed sentence. $500 fine. The fine is going to be due in a month. Okay. July 2nd, 2026.
Okay.
Gun safety course and forfeit of the weapon. You don't have to complete the safety course in a month, but I would, if you can, that would be great. What I really want to know is that gun safety course, I hope that you get something out of it, first and foremost. I think when you take that course, that you're going to really, really, really learn that carrying a weapon is not an easy task. Just it's so many laws that you have to be able to understand and abide by. The fact that you tell me that the gun went off accidentally, it could have accidentally killed someone.
Right. I wasn't.
And I know. Go ahead.
I wasn't around anyone when the gun went off. It was jammed. It was so much stuff on the gun and everything, and I was trying to clear it up, and I didn't think it was gonna go off. I didn't think the gun was gonna go off.
I believe you, but do you see what I mean by knowing about these guns, understanding these guns, and the fact that no one is around? You probably didn't see anyone around, but it could have gone in somebody's house, car. It could have discharged and went anywhere. You don't know where the bullet went.
It was in the ground. It
Pardon me?
it went towards the ground, like, cause I had the gun down, and it went
I
towards the
know.
ground. It was in my backyard when that
All
happened.
right, and I'm glad of that, ma'am. But it's still,
Right.
it's not. It's just not. They're not anything to be playing with.
Right.
And not saying you were playing with it. I'm just using that as a. You understand what I mean by that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, Miss, are you working?
Yes.
All right. All right. So, pay this $500 at any DIVDAT kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DIVDAT app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. There's going to be. I'll see you back on July the 2nd. And the review date for the one year review is going to be June the 3rd. If the 2027, if all the conditions are met, the gun safety course is done, the money is paid, on June the 3rd, we'll dismiss the case. Okay, ma'am?
Okay. Thank you.
I do wish you best of luck, and I do wish you the very best, a very good rest of your day. And I do appreciate your patience. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
I think.